Samsung Galaxy A22e is expected to be released on July 23, 2022. Samsung's expected price in USD is $253. Samsung is releasing a new Galaxy A22e smartphone. Let's see the details. This gadget is powered by a MediaTek MT6833 Dimensity 705G. The next Samsung Galaxy A22e features a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Mali G57MC2 GPU. Samsung Galaxy A22e boasts a 5.8-inch TFT capacitive touchscreen with Full HD plus a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. In addition, the company's upcoming smartphone will operate on Android 11. This phone has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. It also includes a dedicated slot for up to 256 GB of internal storage. The phone will have a triple camera configuration, with a main sensor that is 13 megapixels wide, a 2 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The Samsung Galaxy A22e, the company's future gadget, also boasts a 5 megapixel selfie camera for shooting images and videos of your loved ones. There's also a fingerprint reader on the side to keep your data safe. The Galaxy A22e comes with a large 4000 mAh battery that will last you all day. This smartphone also includes these features, that is dual SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio, USB Type-C, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, proximity, 3.5mm audio jack, and torch light. What are your thoughts on this smartphone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of new videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch.